Hi guys, I quickly want to show you how you implement style sheets in your Django projects. Now, once you're in your Django project folder in PyCharm, go to your app directory. Minus polls here, create a new directory, call it static. Inside that static directory, call another directory called polls. Inside the polls directory, create your style sheet, new file, style.css, or whatever you want to call it. Now, once you have your style sheet, you can define anything you want here. List I or links. Just make sure, yeah, they're not at the left, this left corner. Just give it at least one space. The same for the other one. Give it a single space there. And then define a color or whatever style you want to define here, pictures or whatever menus, whatever you can think of, you can do with CSS. Just check out to do it. And okay, once that's defined, go to the template you want to display your style sheet in. Now, once you're in that template, just load static, and then okay, now this is a style sheet. And what you also need to say is type, which is going to be text or CSS. And then you just define the link. Now, on this side say static, so that Django automatically goes into the static folder. So you'd only need to define here polls / and then your static, your style sheet's name in my case is style.css. Now important, that's all you guys. Once you've done that, it will load the static file with this. Only this line and your static file is located in your app directory. So just remember static, another app name, and style.css. Now, before you load this, just close all your browser, all instances of the browser that's running, as well as all terminals. Otherwise, it's not going to load the style sheet properly. So once you've done that, open your terminal, full directory, my site, or wherever your manage file is in, and run server. And now it's loading. Once it's done loading, I'll quickly show you just that it works, and then that's it. Yeah, if you don't close all your instances of these windows and of the open, even if you reload your server, it's still not going to work. You need to close all browser windows and all of that for it to work. Okay, now polls. And there it is in green. So thanks a lot, you guys. I hope that helps you, and happy coding.